Hi everyone, this is Ladislav from minbuilderreview.com. A long time I didn't do an unboxing video, but I'm trying to keep a track on what I'm receiving, what I have on my Instagram account. So if you would like to see what kind of beautiful pieces I received in the past, go and visit my Instagram. I'll leave a link to my Instagram account in the description of this video. So if you will also follow my Instagram, I would appreciate it, of course. And also you will see actually all the pictures of what I'm actually posting, and all the beautiful coins I'm receiving. So today I received this beautiful big package, and I was thinking, why not to share it with you, why not to open it with you. And I don't exactly know what is inside, but I have an idea, so I'm really excited to open it and see what is inside. So let's open the package. This is a package from Main Builder, a company with which I'm cooperating and having my own online business with gold and silver. Great company with which you can actually have a business in a box for only $200. I'll also share the information to this in this video and in the description of this video. Just for more information, you can visit website mainbuilder.info. So on how to actually have your own online or your own home-based business with gold and silver assets, business in a box for a very low price. So I don't want to spill anything inside, so I'm very careful, of course, with opening this package, so please bear with me. I already see something coming out. Okay, so let's also open this. So here we go. Let me first take all out. Invoice on the side. There are many things, so let's just pull it all out, and let's see what is all inside. So okay, here we go. So these are 3 identical packages, which actually I believe is the same content inside. I already know what is it, so I will just check it. So yes, it's all it. So let's open one and let's share with you what is inside. So this is beautiful coin. Give me a second. There we go. From Royal Dutch Mint, actually Dutch Lion Dollar, Restrike 2017, with certificate of authenticity. And here we go, beautiful coin, Lion Dollar, Dutch Mint, Royal Dutch Mint, PF 70, Proof 70, Ultra Cameo. This is beautiful piece. I'm trying to actually focus it, so give me a sec. And while doing it, I'll actually tell you a reason why I'm buying these coins. Here we go. And the reason is that actually this is my way of investing money, because not only these coins are very beautiful and pleasant to have them, they carry a value of they carry a very high value, of course, of the precious metal, but also of the rarity of this coin. And these kind of coins tend to appreciate on value several times over a time period of 5, 10, 15 years. So some of them, as these special coins with the highest quality PF70 Ultra Cameo, even earlier. So I'm expecting actually make some money on these coins, because this is the way of the investment, and it's very clever investment. It's something that you can hold, you know, and you can sell for the price you are satisfied with. So this is how actually we in Mint Builder we are investing for long term in these beautiful coins. So here is a map also where this coin, this first Dutch lion dollar was actually used. Beautiful piece, beautiful collectible piece, and of course I'm expecting that the value of this coin will actually grow several times. So this is also my investment. So let's look at the package. What is inside? This is another beautiful piece, collectible and investment coin. Beautiful 3D butterfly. It's really beautiful. The wings are actually see-through. I don't think you can see it on the camera, but I can see it. And also PF Ultra Cameo, highest quality, beautiful coin. I really believe that the value of this coin will appreciate over time. And I actually bought these coins for very affordable prices. And if you want to buy such a coins, then you can also visit mintbuildershop.com or mintbuilder.info, and to get coins with very high potential of growing on value. And also this could be also beautiful present for children, for people you love, you know, or a way how you can actually invest and make money, earn money for goals, higher goals you may have. Beautiful coins. So let's move to the last package here. Now let's see what is inside. Last coin in this package, and look at this. Wow, this is also very beautiful piece. This is en plein air, Canada, springtime gifts. Also PF70 Ultra Cameo coin. This is 1 ounce coin, but it's unusual diameter of actually 6 centimeters of 60 millimeters. and that's why it's also packed in such a big case, which is actually, of course, a certificate of quality of the coin, which is the highest possible quality, PF 70 Ultra Cameo, and also actually certificate of authenticity, also with of course protective elements. Beautiful coin, and also to protect the coin, of course, which also I believe again that will appreciate in value over the time. So again, as I said, you know, this is the reasons why I'm actually acquiring this these high quality coins, because these are the coins with the highest potential of growing on value over the time of let's say short term and long term, 5 10 15 years. So I want to share this with you. If you want to know more information about these kind of coins, go to minbuilder.info and watch the video on the site, and you can also get informations also how to not only acquire this kind of coins, but also how to have your own home-based business with precious metals, precious coins like this. Business in a box for a very low price, and receive this kind of coins also zero money out of pocket, as most of my coins are zero money out of pocket, because I'm paying them from the earnings from my company actually. And yeah, so this is what you also can get informations on how you can have your own home-based business in a box for very low price. So thank you very much. Go and visit minbuilder.info for more informations. The link you will find also in the description of this video. I thank you and appreciate you watching this video. And in the next videos, I'm also going to speak about more about investing in gold and silver, also bars and bullions, and also collectible coins like this. So keep on track, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I will appreciate your comments and also your likes. So again, minbuilder.info for all the information you need about coins, collectibles, bars, bullions, how to save money, how to make money with your own home business for very low price. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.